In this problem, they're asking us what's the correct expression for the following vector A. So as we know, this is the tail and this is the head. So the tail is perpendicular to y equals 4 in the y-axis and to 3 in the x-axis. Now we're gonna call the y-axis equal j and the x-axis y. So the direction of this vector is going to be from head to tail. So in this case, in the j direction, from head to tail is going to be from 1 to 4. So it's going to be 1 minus 4, so negative 3j. So regarding the x component, or the I component, is going to be from 1 to 3, or 3 minus 1. That should give us 2, because it's in the positive direction. So overall we have the vector A being equal to the 2i minus the 3j.